Welcome to World Turned Upside Down, the YouTube channel that adds a little history to your day. With your host, Stephanie Ann.
Hey everybody, it's Stephanie Ann. I don't want to be on camera because this is quarantine and I already got dressed once this week. This video is going to be a little different. I had been wanting to make a recipe from the Third Presbyterian Cookbook, which was published by the women of the church during World War I, for a while now. I've been involved with the Chester Historical Preservation Committee, and we have been restoring the old Third Presbyterian Church in Chester, PA for the past few years. If you know me, you know that the church was built in 1895 and was the site of the first influential Vacation Bible School. The church was added to the National Registry of Historic Places last year and was going to house our archives and performing arts center once completed. You also probably know that we were the victims of an arsonist, and the church was destroyed in a 5-alarm fire back in May. I don't want this to be a sad video. I spent a lot of time working on the building and in the building, and I would like to keep the spirit of the building alive through sharing this recipe. If you would like to volunteer or can donate, please visit the website in the link below. Hope you enjoy. So without further ado, this is how to make Scotch Shortbread, a recipe from 1917, Chester, PA.
for watching. If you like history, cooking, and keeping up with everyone's favorite time-traveling cook, please like this video and subscribe, and do be sure to check out www.worldturnedupsidedown.com for full recipes and other interesting historical things.